Welcome to Montgomery, and today we're in a beautiful half duplex on 3 levels with a finished basement as well. On the second level, 2 bedrooms, each with their own 5-piece ensuite and a bonus room in the middle. On the third level, another full bedroom suite with a 5-piece ensuite, a beautiful den area, and a private balcony. In the basement, the 4th bedroom, as well as a rec room and another full bath, but it all starts here on this main level with the beautiful living room and the fully equipped chef's kitchen with all the upgraded appliances that you know you're looking for. Outside, fully landscaped with a large deck and a double detached garage. You need to check this one out.